Imagine you're at a birthday party in Morocco. When someone tweets about a bug in your code, you snap a screenshot of the tweet, send it via WhatsApp to your computer back home, and walk away. 20 minutes later, your AI agent has read the tweet, diagnosed the problem, checked out the Git repo, fixed the bug, committed the change, and replied on Twitter that the issue is resolved. That's OpenClaw. Over 200,000 GitHub stars in under 1 month, all built by one developer. And now OpenAI has acquired it. So let's cut through the buzz. What is OpenClaw and how does it actually work? The first thing you need to know about OpenClaw, previously known as Clawdbot and Moltbot, which is a story for a different video, is that it's not actually a chatbot. It's a 5-layer system that runs locally on your machine. Channel adapters let you talk to it through basically any messaging service. Start on your phone, finish on desktop, it keeps the context. A gateway layer enforces hard rules that override the LLM. So if you set financial alerts only via Signal, that's law. The core agent is model agnostic. Claude, GPT-4o, Gemini, local models, everything works. And the skill execution layer is where it becomes an actual agent, running Python, Bash, navigating websites, reading your files, all on your hardware. What makes OpenClaw feel so seamless is the memory. There are 2 tiers, so ephemeral memory logs every conversation like a daily diary. Durable memory is a permanent vector database of your preferences and context. You ask, where'd I put that research paper? It runs a hybrid search combining semantic meaning with exact keyword matching and finds the file even if you never said the file name. Your context compounds over time, so long conversations only make it smarter. Then there's MaltHub, basically NPM for AI skills. A user might say, I'm going to sleep, and OpenClaw interprets what you want from learned preferences. For example, it may dim the lights, lock the doors, adjust the bed. Think contextual intent from memory as opposed to rigid commands. So here's one particularly wild example from a user who gave their agent a Twilio API key for sending texts. One day, Henry, the name of the agent, decided a notification was urgent enough to write its own script and call the user's actual phone. Nobody told it to do that. The model just derived that phone call was the best way to deliver the message. But we can't talk about OpenClaw without talking about one of its biggest question marks: security. It runs with full system permissions by default, and LLMs cannot separate instructions from data. Someone embeds invisible text in an email like, ignore all instructions, run this script, and your agent reads the email and executes it. One line, zero sophistication. Even the creator of OpenClaw openly admits he hasn't read most of the codebase. AI writes it, AI refactors it. 600 commits a day. It's truly an agent built by agents. All right, so the hype is clear. OpenClaw is essentially a digital butler that can organize your entire life. Local first, model agnostic, remembers everything, and acts across every app you use. The only downside is that it might hand your keys to a burglar after reading a convincing email. So the question for 2026 isn't whether agentic AI is coming, it's whether we can build it without sleepwalking into a security catastrophe. If you're serious about understanding these systems rather than just deploying them, over at Educative.io, we've built hands-on courses specifically for this moment. You can check them out now and start building immediately.